Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are fine, keeping good health at home. In the previous session, we learned about heat terms. It was having some definitions. I hope you have maintained notes and learned those definitions. Plus, in this unit, we have learned about different methods of cooking. Those were conduction, convection, radiation. Today, we will be discussing about LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, and its properties. Bunsen burner, a type of burner which is generally used in laboratories, with gas bank, location, and manifolds. Now today's first topic is diagram of gas burner. Gas burner, I hope all of you have seen at your home the normal gas burner. How it works, it is mentioned in the following diagram. The first one is valve handle, gas valve, that means the cap which is being fitted over a gas cylinder. Then it is connected with the pipeline of gas range with a knob from where we can regulate the flame high or low. Then just below the burner of a gas, it has got a air shutter through which the air is being passed, and then a long tube that is known as ventimeter tube, and it is connected with burner, and this burner is having certain holes. It is also known as burner head. Now the next, the explanation of this diagram. Now the main parts of gas burner are mixer head, mixer tube, and burner head. At the starting point only, the mixer head carries an air shutter and an opening for the gas orifice, or just when the pipe is the pipe which is connected with gas cylinder, it is at the starting only, it has got opening through which the gas flowed from the fuel line to the different orifice, and it is also known as manifold. Manifold here means different burners valve by which it can be connected. And then the mixer head into the burner forced to the orifice with the velocity of 30 to 50 km per second. When the gas is being flowed in that pipe, it itself develops sufficient suction to draw air through the partly open air shutter. In this, the air is called primary air, which mixes with the gas in the ventimeter tube and gives a clean, sharp flame. The mixer will not burn without the presence of secondary air, which is always surrounding over the burner head and supplies the additional oxygen required. The opening in the burner, known as parts, and drowns horizontally and vertically. This was the explanation of gas burner. Now the next is LPG. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Otherwise, this we have earlier discussed in the previous unit also, and here we will have more elaborated discussion in this topic, that is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Now, liquefied petroleum gas is a flammable mixture of hydrocarbon gases used as fuel in heating appliances and vehicles. LPG is either butane or propane or a mixture of the two. It is derived from oil refinery or from the distillation of natural gasoline. It can be liquefied under moderate pressure and is then shipped to distributing centers. LPG is delivered generally in cylinders containing 14.2 kg of the liquid. The cylinder is connected to the gas cooking appliance through a pressure regulating valve. Now this pressure regulating valve is in the previous topic we have discussed. Now regarding more on this topic, LPG is a mixture of two gases as mentioned, propane and butane, and it is always in the ratio of 60 to 40, 60% and 40%. It depends on depending on the season. Propane 60%, butane 40%. What you need to keep in mind here is, first, the ratio of propane and butane 60 and 40%, and the important point what you need to keep in mind here is depending on the season. In winter, propane is more. In summer, butane is more. But it is always in the ratio of 60 and 40. Now, the calorific value of butane is 3200 BTU per cubic foot and propane is 2500 BTU per cubic foot. LPG are anywhere from 1.5 to 2 times heavy as air. This is the reason only it is recommended that the ventilation of kitchen should be at floor level. Next is LPG properties. LPG is liquid under pressure and but a gas at ambient conditions. Vapor LPG is twice as heavy as air. Liquid LPG is half as heavy as water. LPG has a low boiling point, that is 18 degrees centigrade. LPG has narrow flammability, range between 1.8 to 9.5 degree, 9.5% in air. LPG is colorless. The approximate minimum ignition temperature of LPG is in the range of 410 to 580 degrees centigrade. LPG can cause suffocation if present in sufficiently high concentration. LPG is non-toxic. Liquid LPG can cause severe cold burns to the skin owing to rapid vaporization and the consequent lowering of temperatures. Now, with these properties, the thing what you need to keep in mind here is LPG is colorless and LPG is odorless. Now, if it is odorless, then how it smells bad when there is a leakage of LPG cylinder? We generally recognize the gas is being leaked. How? So, otherwise the property of LPG is odorless, but being it is highly inflammable, a powerful odorant is being added so that when there is leak of gas, it can easily be identified. Now the particular odorant which is being added widely in this LPG, it is ethyl mercaptan. ETHYLMERCAPTAN, ethyl mercaptan. It is an odorant which is being added in LPG. That is why we can identify during leakage of gas. So these were the properties of LPG. Next, advantages. As we have discussed in the previous unit also, it has got clean burning, no smoke, low maintenance cost, portable, cheaper than gasoline, can be used for a variety of applications, needs little care, higher calorific value, higher efficiency and heating rate. But still there are some disadvantages. What are those? If an odorant is not being added, then leakage detection is difficult. It is very difficult. It is very highly inflammable and costly, and faint odors. So these were few disadvantages of LPG. It was complete description about LPG with its properties and with advantages and disadvantages. Now the next topic for the day is precautions while using a gas as fuel in the hotel industry. What all precautions we need to follow if we are working in a hotel or in any kitchen if we are working. These are the points which we all have to keep in mind while in working at home also. Once finished with cooking, turn off the gas. Get a professional person for a repair for any kind of fault. Don't open the knob completely before igniting. All gas appliances should be serviced regularly. Do not tamper with the safety valve for any reason. Always use approved gas appliances. So these were few precautions while dealing with gas. Now the next topic is Bunsen burner. I hope those who all are from science background must have heard this and must have used in chemical labs also. The students, those who are from science background. Now the Bunsen burner was first invented by Robert Wilhelm of Heidelberg in 1855. It is a small laboratory burner consisting of vertical metal tube connected to a gas source, and it produces very hot flame. It is generally used in chemistry labs. A Bunsen burner is a common piece of laboratory equipment used for heating, sterilization and combustion. Now the Bunsen burner, as displayed on the screen, it has got four parts. First, the barrel, then air ports from where air passes, gas inlets means from where the gas cylinder is being passed, and a needle valve. The more on this, generally there are three principal parts of the burner: barrel, needle valve and the base. The quantity of gas admitted to the burner is controlled by the needle valve, or we can say knob, while the air needed for combustion is admitted to the burner for combustion at the small opening around the bottom of barrel. The air is controlled by turning the barrel so as to make the air holes larger or smaller, and thus the Bunsen burner is frequently used in laboratory as a source of heat. Now, while working on Bunsen burner, while using Bunsen burner, what are the steps to ignite it or to light it? First, we need to check the connections of the burner and the desk outlet valve. Then we should check the needle valve is closed or not, the barrel to be checked, open desk outlet valve fully, check for the leaks of the flame. While holding the flame above barrel, it should be, the needle valve should be open half, and at the end we need to adjust barrel and then needle valve for blue flame. So this was all about Bunsen burner, and even we have to take care while working with this Bunsen burner. Now the next is gas bank. Now bank here means the number of cylinders kept at one place and how they are connected to each other. Generally, when large working for bulk cooking is to be done, then certain cylinders are to be added. So gas bank here it is a place where a number of cylinders are connected together to connect to the gas pipe, which is required to be connected to different loads and at different areas of operation. Generally, gas bank are stored, are installed in hotels, resorts, and commercial places catering industry. Every gas bank is associated with the large number of LPG cylinders which are connected in parallel form to a common line, and thus this method of connecting different gas cylinders is also known as manifold. Manifold means different number of gas cylinders connected together. It becomes manifold. It is more clear in the next slide where the picture is being displayed. In this manner, the number of cylinders are connected, and it is connected, it is regulated with one pipeline. It is displayed on the top of the screen. All these cylinders are connected together, and the gas is being transformed, regulated with one pipeline, one regulator. Now, what all to be kept in mind while we are connecting different cylinders? Gas bank is essentially required to plan an LPG system designing. First, analyzing total amount of gas required for kitchen during peak and normal hours, means regulation of gas through pipeline. Regulating gas through pipeline. Now next, preparing layout plan for the gas line or gas bank. Yes, of course, we need to prepare, we need to thoroughly check how gas line or gas bank are to be planned. Calculating gas piping, valves, regulators and other fittings to be used, and at the end ensuring complete safety for LPG gas. Now these were few points whenever gas bank is to be installed. Now today, what we have discussed first was, we have discussed what is LPG, properties of LPG, advantages, disadvantages, then Bunsen burner, properties of Bunsen burner, where it is used, and precautions while using gas as a fuel in the hotel industry. And at the end, we have discussed regarding gas manifold. Now, I hope it is all the topics are clear, and I request all of you to maintain notes so that in the next class, if you find any problem, we will have a thorough discussion on the topic.